Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. This is Manoj Dara. So in today's special segment, we are going to discuss why DeFi fraud and thefts have risen 600% to $10.5 billion in 2021. So let's get into the story in details. Decentralized finance or DeFi has seen an explosive growth this year. DeFi protocols, which run the gamut of financial services from asset management, borrowing, and lending, decentralized exchanges, derivatives, and stablecoins have flourished, rising from $22 billion at the start of 2021 to over $260 billion now logged across DeFi protocols, according to DeFi Llama data. DeFi, where users engage in financial transactions directly with one another using smart contracts without the need of financial intermediaries like banks, has the potential to redefine existing financial systems by bringing about greater financial inclusions to the unbanked and lowering the cost of transactions. But the nascent DeFi industry also has risk and is attempting honeypot for hackers and a deep pool of liquidity that can be taken advantage of by money launderers, according to the blockchain data firm Elliptic in a new report, DeFi Regulation, Compliance and the Growth of Decrime. DeFi is known to offer a high yield of crypto assets as compared to other conventional means. But this also makes it extremely vulnerable to sudden vanishing and absconding post-raising funds for a project. Alongside DeFi's growing popularity, exploitations, and illicit use of decentralized technologies like decentralized applications, popularly known as dApps, are also on the rise. Losses due to the theft and crime across DeFi platforms has amounted to over $10.5 billion year to date as on November 9th, an increase of 600% from $1.5 billion in 2020, according to Elliptic. dApps on Ethereum bore the brunt of losses at $8.6 billion, reflecting its current status as the blockchain of choice of DeFi. The Binance Smart Chain was the next with $2.5 billion of losses. Tom Robinson, chief scientist of Elliptic, said in a statement that the DeFi ecosystem is an incredibly exciting and fast-moving space, with financial services innovation happening at a light speed, which is attracting large amounts of capital to projects that are not always robust, well-tested. Hence, criminal actors have seen the opportunity to exploit this. According to Elliptic, the losses are magnified by the relatively untested and immature nature of decentralized technologies. Well, the majority of DeFi losses were attributed to bug code exploits, where hackers exploit errors in the smart contract code, and economic exploits, where the attackers exploits the loopholes in how the DeFi services operates. For example, attacker manipulates asset prices in order to take advantage of arbitrage opportunity on DeFi services that would otherwise not exist, such as through a flash loan. According to the market experts, decentralized apps are designed to be trustless in that they eliminate any third-party control of users' funds. Admin key exploits, where the access to manage a smart contract is used to steal funds from the dApps. An exit scam or rug pull, where the creator or operator of the dApp disappears with users' funds and or other ways funds have been stolen. dApps like decentralized exchanges, decentralized mixers, and cross-chain bridges are also be used by criminals to hide their blockchain money trail and launder ill-gotten gains without using centralized services that could alert law enforcement. So we'll explain you. DeFi has become an important tool for money launderers, including those looking to cash out proceeds of thefts from exchanges based in Asia. Tom Robinson told Forecast News the recent hackers suffered by KuCoin and Liquid results in stolen funds being funneled through various dApps, which is a potent reminder of the international need for regulatory to pay due attention to DeFi. Elliptic's report said that the mistakes in design and development of decentralized apps are the most common cause of fraud, while some $1 billion in losses this year have been resulted from so-called exit or rug pulls, in which the developers intentionally steal the fund deposited, like what happened earlier this month with the Squid Game cryptocurrency. Well, the boom in DeFi fraud comes as a value of nearly all cryptocurrencies has soared this year. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even much smaller cryptos have become hugely valuable, minting new billionaires and gaining support from a handful of institutional investors. Hope you like this segment. Stay tuned for more such updates on Crypto TV, your 24/7 live streaming news channel. Thank you so much.